target.
You're still talking. Okay. Okay. According to the American Cancer Society's website, in 2016 there will be an estimated 1,685,210 new cancer cases in the U.S. Of that, 16,460 of those cases will be in Arkansas. There will be an estimated 595,690 deaths in the U.S., and of that, 6,830 of those will be in Arkansas. Who wouldn't want to help decrease these numbers and help find a cure for cancer? With the right amount of schooling, becoming an oncologist allows you a rewarding career, both emotionally and financially. Today I'll be going over the roles of an oncologist, the requirements and education needed, and the salary. I will begin by telling you the roles of an oncologist. The roles of an oncologist, there's 4 main roles. The first role is to help diagnose the type and stage of cancer the patient has. Here I have listed the top 6 types of cancer that are diagnosed. Just for an example, I'm going to point out lung cancer. How I would diagnose that as an oncologist is I would do a few imaging tests, such as an X-ray or an MRI, to look for abnormal masses. If I saw an abnormal mass, I would then do a biopsy of that to look for the cancer cells. The second role is to discuss all relevant treatment care options to find the best option for the patient. The most 2 common ones will be chemotherapy or radiation. The third role is to deliver the treatment care to the patient, and the fourth role is to help the patient throughout the treatment. Just to go back over that, it would be diagnosis, treatment, delivery, and patient care. Now that I have given you the roles of an oncologist, I'll tell you the requirements needed to become an oncologist. I have broken this down into 3 main steps. The first step is to get a bachelor's degree in biology. Since I am currently attending the University of Central Arkansas, I have their 4-year plan laid out here. A typical semester of this would be 1 biology, 1 chemistry, 1 math, and a core requirement, which would be any elective of your choice. The second step is to apply to medical school. According to the University of Florida Medical School and the University of Central Arkansas Medical School, you need a biology degree, of course, a good score on your MCATs, which is your medical entrance exam test, and you need some sort of experience, whether that be biology club or some volunteer work at your local hospital. The third step is to get your PhD, which will be 4 years of medical school and then 2 to 4 years of residency depending on your oncology specialty. There's 1,000 different types of oncologies, but they're broken down into 3 main: surgical, medical, and radiation. My main entrance is medical. You get to treat all different types of cancer that way and help in all sorts of areas. Now that I've told you the roles of an oncologist and the requirements to become one, I will go on to the good part, or the salary of becoming an oncologist. The average pay for an oncologist in the U.S. is $278,571 per year. Just to give you an idea, in different states, in Arkansas it would be around $249,000. In Florida it would be around $264,000. And in Missouri it would be around $271,000. I also have all your benefits laid out here in a pie chart with your Social Security, disability, time off, which will come to a total compensation around $374,774. Today I have told you about my dream job, oncology, the roles with the job, the requirements needed, and the pay rate of this job. The main role of being an oncologist is helping others so that the estimated 1,685,210 patients who will be diagnosed with cancer in 2016 can be cured. Becoming an oncologist could possibly be one of the most rewarding professions in the medical field, which is why becoming an oncologist is my dream job.